What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Now in this one I'm going to be updating the front end of this bike. The plastics on this bike are now 20 years old. The styling is so out of date. So I'm going to be installing a more modern front end. The number plate and the mudguard are from a 2014 CR125. So if you want to see how I'm going to achieve that, stick around and watch this video. So this is the number plate I'm going to be using from a 2014 bike from the CR125, but I'm going to need to install a different mounting bracket in order for it to fit to my 2001 bike. So let me show you. So here is the mounting bracket that I'm going to be using. Obviously building dirt bikes, I've been massively inspired by Cameron Niemela, and he actually makes this product which is a mounting bracket so that you can fit the later plastics to your bike. In this box we also have a letter from Cameron himself. It says, "Hey Stuart, that's me, aka Ducaveli. Thank you for choosing Pryme MX and believing in the products. Keep it Pryme, Cameron." Thanks Cameron. I'm going to be installing this bracket so that I can install the 2014 plastics on my bike. So, let's get to work. Well, there you have it, my new updated front end for this 2001 CR125 with the modern plastics on there, thanks to the Pryme MX Restyle bracket. Head over to Cameron Niemela's website. I'll have the link in the description down below so you can get yourself one of these brackets and update the plastics for your bike too. I'm sure you're aware of him if you're into dirt bikes and build videos. If you like this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, and if you want to follow along with the rest of this build, hit the subscribe button too, and check out the playlist which is on my channel so you can see all the progress I've made so far on this build, and you can follow along with future videos. Make sure you share and like and subscribe and do all that stuff that YouTubers ask you to do so that we can push this channel out. So maybe we can tell the YouTube algorithm that there's a community here of people that love to see dirt bike videos getting built, and we can push this channel out to more people. Closing in on 100 subscribers. Thank you so much to everybody that's subscribed already. I really appreciate you guys. Well, that's it from me. Thank you for watching the video. There's always more parts on the way, so there'll be more videos coming, hopefully very, very soon. See you in the next one.